This video will talk about replacing the lower armature holding bracket on the LG1 E13 bashguard. As you can see, if this piece broke off, chain would go right along this path. You can purchase a replacement right here. Replacement comes with 2 screws, and the part number is this. It costs about $17. Only E13 has it in stock. The trick is to remove this piece right here that broke. You need to first push out this decorative bolt. This is not very obvious. That's why I wanted to make a video. So step 1 is to take the screw out with a T27 Torx bit. Okay. Remove the wheel. The wheel guide is rubbery, so you'll be able to slip it through. It has 2 bearing caps and a bearing inside. Set it aside. Be careful not to break off this aluminum rivet. I have no idea how to replace this. Split open the chain guide. Put in the screw. And you may have to press it against something hard to get it to pop out on the other side. See? The idea is that this screw will not allow the holder to slide too far. See? That is why it has a particular shape that fits into the groove. Okay. After you remove the nut, the decorative nut, pull out the screw and slide out the old broken piece, which I've cut in many places thinking that I could get it off, but I couldn't. Okay. And position. Think about how it works in a bike, right? This is the bottom portion. This is the top. The chain goes along right here. That means that this will be on top where the screws connect to the rest of the bash guard. The thick groove needs to be facing the decorative screw right here. So we put the holder in first. Really tight. Then we put the decorative screw, nut, push it in, and now there's no way for this piece to slide out. Okay. Then open things up, position the wheel, the roller, slide it back together. And put in the bolt. it back on the bike. Make sure the make sure the roller is spinning freely. Thanks for watching.